Hey.
24, get ready!
24.
Get ready! 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 11, 12, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Okay, so this is the new update. It looks sick. Oh, it actually looks sick. What the heck?
What's this?
Yo.
Chicken!
Yo!
Chicken!
See, look! Bundle!
Chicken
Yo!
jockey.
Look at me!
Chicken jockey.
Oh, I look so freaking cool! With the link! Oh my god! Yo!
Wait, guys! I read this in the Discord! There's gonna be an objective in the next update! About this!
There is... Dude, it's like raining! The rain looks sick!
Wait, hold up, guys! Don't test this!
Hold on, guys! Oh, wait. Yeah,
Okay, I will.
Yes! Oh crap,
Oh.
it's spooky!
What the heck? What the heck? Go, go, go!
Guys, I'm scared.
Hold on, what the heck? What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? What the heck?
How do you auto reload? How do you turn on auto reload?
Oh my god!
Kill the zombie!
Kill them! Kill them!
Oh god!
Kill the zombie!
By the way,
Ow! What? How the heck did I die? Oh god! Oh god! It started! It started! It started! I see some! I see some! I see one! I see one! Kill it! It's dead! Oh my god! Run! 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 Run!
guys, check out this! This is like the average animal company. Oh, that's don't use it!
Okay, do it again! Do it again! Do it again! Oh, they're cutting. I see it. Oh, they're going off the ground! RPG!
Ah, watch out!
Did he die? Kill them! Kill! Oh my god, there's so much! There's so much!
Yes, it's working for everybody.
Guys, there's so much right now.
I got you, like.
Dude, that was so fun.
I'm not afraid.
Oh!
I don't care.
Guys, my Snapchat isn't working.
Oh god, I see one! I see one! I see one!
Get out!
They're dead.
Of course the zombies are black.
They're right there!
Open it! Yes, use your other hand.
Guys!
Yo, let's go to Tech Tree! Let's go to Tech Tree!
Watch out!
Sigma, are we gonna go to Tech Tree? Everybody go to Tech Tree!
Man down!
On in there?
They're dying, they're dying. Yes! Guys! Help me!
Bro, there's an enemy new weapon!
Help me!
Guys, RPGs don't do anything to us.
I know!
Guys, go to
Stop,
Tech
God. Okay, look at Tech Tree. Let me look at Tech Tree.
I need more gaming.
I don't... I'll check later. Let me just kill these guys.
Stop shooting me, monkey!
Ow! Everyone hears it.
I'm scared.
Get that one! Get, I see one!
No, 4x4s, we can kill these stupids.
Oh my god, there's so much. Oh my god, there's so much! Oh my god, help me! Help me! Oh, I'm out of ammo. I'm out of ammo. Oh my god, why is there so much? Okay. Oh my god, go. Get another one. Go. Get.
Oh my god, I'm spending all my money. Why are you shooting? I'm sorry. Barrel, I feel so very sorry. Spending all my money. God.
Every 5 seconds.
Come on.
What the fuck? Let's just say there's a few.
Yeah, let's just.
Hey! Chill, bro, chill!
Oh my god, I literally missed that. Chill! Chill!
Why you saw me her? I'm the Goblin King.
I do not like it. I do not like it.
I do, I love it.
Can't go
It just came out and I love it. But look at the new duck. The new duck looks
I'm
sick.
gonna mess with the zombies. Probably any zombies is fun.
Okay, so I just
Does anybody else?
Is there new?
Bro, the green people are zombies. Is there any new maps or any new like things? I see the zombies in color.
Shoot him.
Yo, David, is it? Wait.
Zombie. I see a zombie.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, this one is.
That lobby guys.
See that?
Yes.
Now, let's start. Let's start now.
Go, go, go.
Oh my god! Is it? I don't like this!
Yes, shotgun. Yo, you have the bundle also? You have the bundle? Yo.
Like this! Somebody told me to save my game!
Don't worry, Timmy. I got you.
Guys, protect the little Timmy.
I came prepared.
Alright, that was the new update. It was pretty cool. Bye.
Guys,